Welcome to Tech Fix Everythings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the supply memory error on the HP LaserJet Pro HP M227fdw printer. When this error appears, simply tap the top left corner of the screen to check whether the issue comes from the drum chip or the toner. Usually, if you encounter this error, you should check the image drum chip. In this video, we'll skip that step since I just installed a brand new 100% drum cartridge. Check the signal cable of the image drum chip on the right side of the printer as you face the front. This cable connects directly to the high voltage board. In this case, the issue is caused by two broken signal wires. I will solder them back together, connect the red wire to the red wire, and the white wire to the white wire.
Đừng quên, ta đã hầu hạ Cảnh Long đến 21 năm. Từ chiếc điện của ngài ấy, ta đã nhìn trộm được rất nhiều bí mật.
Make sure to follow my next video to see how I handle messy errors like this.